Hey everyone, it's Christian from Poppy Avenue Clean Beauty Bar, and today I'm going to be showing you a DIY masking routine featuring our Poppy at-home mask kit that's a facial in a box you can indulge in solo as your self-care routine or share with your loved ones. I'm going to be teaching you the art of self-care, so grab a glass of wine and indulge with me. Let's go and get started in this wonderful facial in a box. First, we're going to start with our Smudge Detox Mask. That's the first mask in the kit. This mask is going to detoxify and nourish our skin, so I'm going to mix about a quarter size amount of mask with a few droppers of the Purity Toner to activate it. I'm from the South, so we're never really great at following measurements, so I add a little bit of both till I get the perfect masking consistency. So adding toner to your mask versus water is actually just going to add some more skin benefits to this mask. I always say that when you're activating a powder mask, if you do it with water, it's okay, but if you do it with toner, you're just elevating those ingredients. The Purity Toner from Good Medicine has 2 superpower ingredients in here, but many more as well, such as peppermint and dandelion. These wild desert plants, in addition to the ironized minerals found within this toner, feature antifungal properties and add a very cooling sensation when you mix it with the smudge mask. The smudge mask is a combination of charcoal, blue spirulina, tomato powder, and bentonite clay. These ingredients are working to detoxify but also nourish your skin. So it's not going to over dry your skin. You're going to take this off feeling super refreshed with an even complexion, and it just kind of helps, like, I don't know, your face feels so good after this mask. So I'm painting it on. We're going to leave it on for about 3 to 5 minutes till it's kind of somewhat dry and it has that kind of pore tightening effect. That's how you'll know it's ready to come off. So now I'm just removing this mask with a fresh hot towel. Every girl deserves one. Make sure you have hot towels handy, and it's going to elevate that experience. I'm revealing freshly glowed skin even after just one mask application. My skin feels so good. Next, we're going to go in with the honeybee mask. And this mask smells so good. It has honey, and it also has a blend of essential oils in here featuring frankincense and myrrh. I call them kind of the holy essential oils. This mask is going to be helping rebuild the moisture in your skin. Honey helps stop bacterial growth. It's going to firm and plump up your skin. It's honestly a mask that's good for anyone, whether you have really, really dry skin or if you are struggling with breakouts. Honey has so many healing properties to it. You're going to really enjoy this mask. So I'm going to paint it on my face. We're going to leave this one on for 20 minutes and come back and take it off. So grab a glass of wine, take a few sips, really indulge, read a book, watch a show. Taking this mask off to reveal, I always say your face feels as soft as a baby's butt when you take this off. All right, our last step in our face kit is the sheet mask, and this is such a skin treat. The Orgaid Organic Sheet Mask is actually the first organic sheet mask on the market, and it was actually invented by a doctor who noticed that his wife loved sheet masks, but the ingredients in her masks were not that really great for her, and he decided to formulate her a organic, natural version of it, and boy is it a luxury. This features a dermacloth fabric, so the fabric is super soft on your skin, and it is soaked in serum. The nice thing about sheet masks is that serums usually evaporate on your skin, but having that sheet mask on, the serum is not going to evaporate, and it's going to allow your skin to soak in that serum for 20 whole minutes. So put that serum everywhere. There is so much of it in your packet. You can actually also use a face roller to roll that serum right into your skin and really press it in. Also, make sure you get your eye area. It's going to feel so good. We're going to leave this sheet mask on for 20 minutes to reveal just freshly brightened skin. I usually like one more hot towel experience after this mask, and then I will add that serum in the packet onto my face, press it in, and my dear, you are ready for bed, or you're going to be lounging around glowing on your self-care Sunday. Congratulations, grab a glass of wine, you finished. Your skin is going to be so glowing, and I hope that this inspires you to take a moment for yourself, get some self-care on, and grab this kit in-store and online with us. I love you guys, and I will see you in our next video. Or as always, come see me if you're local. You guys know I'm always at the store.